Hi, I'm Craig McLeod and welcome to Drift My Ride. Today we've got Myles and his E46 M3 compact. The S54 has won mountains of engineering awards, from the International Engine of the Year through to claiming the best new engine in the 3 to 4 litre category for 6 years straight, from 2001 through to 2006. The S54 is the final most powerful evolution of the M50 BMW engine line, with a horsepower to displacement ratio of a 1960s Formula 1 car. The block was made from a grey cast iron rather than an aluminium to achieve a greater rigidity from the same dimensions. It's a 3.2 litre engine with reinforced steel conrods, graphite coated cast aluminium pistons and a forged steel crankshaft. Fitted to the E46 M3, it produced 346 horsepower with 365 Nm of torque and an 8,000 RPM redline. Myles?
Craig?
How you doing?
Good. Yourself?
Not bad, not bad. Thank you for coming along.
No problem.
And you brought along, like, this has got to be the nicest looking car that we've had. It's so clean and like the graphics on the outside are awesome. So what have you brought us?
It's a E46 compact, the E46 M3 engine and box. Also got the E46 M3 front on it, and the back arches.
Yes, because this is one of the things that makes this really different, is that it's not got a compact front. It's a full M3 front on it, which makes it, it makes it really stand out. It's got a big flare, and it's also got the flares in the rears, the M3 rear arches on it. So what's involved in making the front of an M3 fit a compact?
Well, the bonnet, your lights, your front panel and bumper actually fit on straight away.
They're just bolt up?
Just bolt on normal. But your wings are too long because it's been a coupe.
So they extend too much past the doors?
They would hit the doors, so you've got to cut it and merge it into like the compact wing at the back.
Okay. The rear as well, so that's also got the M3, and so it's not a bolt-on over fender thing, is it?
The compact back arch has been cut out. The M3 arch has been put in place and welded. Again,
it looks factory, and this car has got so many little bits about it that you don't really even realise are not standard. It just everything fits. So
without knowing, you wouldn't notice.
We've got a cool wee spoiler as well.
Yeah, it's like a homemade kind of NASCAR style spoiler.
Yeah, NASCAR, that's what it is. Yeah. Wheels?
Boa B1s, 18 inch. Got Toyo proxies on the front.
Are they okay in the wet as well?
They're a wee bit, struggle to get heat in them, but once you've got heat in them, they're alright in the wet.
The other thing that's really cool about this is you guys have got your own like jig for your steering setup, don't you?
Yeah.
It's a
fully custom front end. So it's like a rose joint with metal bar. So it means it's fully adjustable and it's solid. Also, if anything did bend or that, we've got a jig so we can make our own arms up.
So how long have you had the car? What was the...
I've had the car about 6 months now. I wanted to do tracky start with. But then we looked at drifting, and the guy that had the car before me, I'm good friends with him, so he kind of turned me into the drifting. He corrupted you. Yeah.
So this will be your first car that you've had then?
It's really good bit of power, and it's really quite smooth and handling.
So it's a standard engine as well, standard M3 E46 engine.
Yeah.
And all of that as well bolts straight into
bolts straight up.
It's not, there's no custom stuff or really.
Solid engine mounts and gearbox mounts as well. Also this is an IRP shifter. Yeah,
they're good. And that locks out?
Aye, I've got 5th and 6th gear locked out now.
Okay.
It's only really a 4-speed.
Does it lock out reverse as well?
Yeah, that's what this wee lever's for.
So you have to pull a lever to get into reverse. So do you ever miss a gear?
Yeah, no, not yet.
Excellent. Hydro, standard wee hydro here.
Standard hydro.
Yeah, properly nice big cage in here as well, isn't it? Really nice big crossbars and that, because this is a BDC spec car, isn't it?
Yeah, ran BDC in 2017. So.
Yeah. Otherwise, we've got some safety devices. We've got as many fire extinguishers.
Yeah.
We've got built-in one,
a plumbed-in one, and a handheld.
And the handheld number. Our electricity cut off as well, don't we?
Kill switch
in the rear. So you're running BC coilovers?
BC coilovers, yeah.
How do you run them? Do you run them soft, hard, or?
They're kind of like a happy medium now. hardened the front up a wee bit more because I felt it was a wee bit too soft.
So we got also no door panels here. Is it actually carbon fibre?
No, it's just aluminium plate, just with a carbon fibre wrap on.
Ah, carbon fibre wrap.
Just to make it look a wee bit nicer.
Yeah. You've even got nice things like on the floor you've got the grip tape, so you actually feet don't skate about and you don't wear through the paint.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice steering wheel here.
Yeah, wee deep dish.
Wee deep dish number. Some nice comfy, like if I was a bit bigger,
yeah,
I wouldn't be fitting in these.
Quite a snug fit.
Yeah, quite a snug fit seats, but understandably for yourself. So you got a few sponsors.
Got Foz Sports to help us with like paint work and panels. Also got the alloys who do like all the refurbishment. Also MCM does the jig work. Also they jigged it when I kind of had a wee accident with the wall.
And it did need a wee bit of jigging after that, didn't it?
Yeah, the chassis legs were rimmed a wee bit.
Yeah. But you guys got it back together really quickly after that.
Yeah, we had it out in the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, I remember seeing
late nights though.
Yeah, I bet you there was. I remember seeing that hit the wall and going, wow, and then coming back like 2 weeks later and it looked mint again. Yeah. I was like, how can you possibly do that? But so anyone else sponsor wise?
Got number 8 clothing, also Ebergoins, good friends with them. Do the recovery and the MOTs.
What are all these guys just helping you out as you're in SDC at the moment?
Yeah, SDC now.
And what's your plans? Is just SDC at the moment, and then just see where things go.
See where things go. I'd like to try and do at least a couple of rounds of Drift Cup maybe next year.
Yeah. So I think we might as well go and see how it goes.
Yeah.
I love E46. This one's got like the engine I love as well, so I think I might quite enjoy this. Right, let's go see. It's nice noise. Yeah. Really nice noise. Really naughty. Finding that very edge of that lock, because it is like it'll just drive at 90 degrees and I'm just not used to that. E46 compact. It's just, oh, it's got the perfect amount of power for this track. It's just, there's nothing that you could want. Like, you could have more power, but it's just so usable,
so well set up
and so balanced. Yeah, the steering for me is like, obviously that's something you kind of get to learn, but even really quickly there, because there's no binding on it, no nothing, I was getting the confidence to go on and use it really quickly. Yeah, mate, super amazing. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Guys, if you like these videos, if you could please like, share and subscribe to Driftland TV, and if you could give me a follow on Facebook and YouTube at Craig Does Drift. See you in the next one.